In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Figma file and how to export or save a Figma file to your desktop. Let's get started with a step-by-step walkthrough to make sure you're navigating Figma with confidence. To begin, you'll want to head over to Figma's website by typing www.figma.com into your browser. Figma, if you're not familiar, is a powerful collaborative interface design tool used by millions around the world. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your Figma account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Figma home interface. This is your main hub for everything you'll be working on. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you'll find your way around soon enough. From the home screen, look for the section labelled Design. This is where you'll have access to current projects and drafts you're working on. Click on that section. Now, you should see options for both recents and drafts. Recents are files you've accessed recently, while drafts are files that are still in development or brainstorming phases. Clicking on either will bring you to the list of files under that category. To open a particular Figma file, simply find it within either the Recents or Draft section. Once you've located the file you're looking for, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now that your file is open, let's move on to exporting or saving it to your desktop. On the top menu bar, you'll notice a section labelled File. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here you should look for the Export option. Clicking Export will prompt you to select a few options. You can choose file format preferences, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, depending on your needs. It's a good idea to consider what the final use of your design will be when choosing your export format. Once you've made your selections, click Export at the bottom of the menu to complete the process. This will save the file to your desktop in the chosen format. And that's it, you've successfully opened and exported a Figma file to your desktop. This whole process gives you the freedom to design, save, and share your work with colleagues or clients seamlessly. Keep practicing this process and you'll be a Figma pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out more of our tutorials.